Welcome to CertBlaster. Today I'll show you how to transfer your existing account to our new and improved CertBlaster Release 5.0. Important note, this video concerns only users that purchased CertBlaster on or before January 7th, 2020. Everyone else is already on the new system and so have no need to transfer. The only piece of information you need to bring is the email address you have been using on the Flash version. As a Flash user, you've been logging in at https://certblaster.com/login. When using the new CertBlaster 5.0 version, you will log in at https://study.certblaster.com. Once you're at the website, click on the green Login button. This will take you to our login form. Since your email address is already entered into our database, you already have an account on our system. All you will need to do is change your password in order to have access to the new CertBlaster site. To change your password for the site, click on the Forgot Your Password link underneath the login form. You'll then be asked to enter the email address that you used for the older CertBlaster Flash version. Click on the email link to send your confirmation email for the password change. Now, open the confirmation email that you received in your inbox and click on the link. This will bring you back to study.certblaster.com and you'll see our reset password form. Enter in your email address, your new desired password, and then confirm that password. Hit the reset button and you will then be informed that your password has successfully changed. Now, the last step is to log into your account. And there you go! You can see on the left side of the screen that you already have your practice tests activated and you're able to study right away. As with the Flash version, just click on the plus sign next to your practice test title that you want to open, and then click down to Exams or Drills, and double-click to open up your practice test software. If this procedure did not work, then it's likely that you didn't enter the exact same email address you've been using on the Flash version. Either you're trying a different email address, or maybe there's a typo in the address you've been using on the Flash version. If so, just email me at support@certblaster.com and I'll help you get through it. Thank you for watching, and the whole CertBlaster team hopes you enjoy our new release, CertBlaster 5.0.